All right, this is going to be an elevator near Alki Beach here in Seattle.
This is called the Alki Sands.
The Alki Sands?
Yes.
And from what Rivers told me, we got a treat here. Of course, let me push the buttons, please, because I've never been here before. Oh, yeah, look at this. GAL black buttons.
It's pretty quiet. I think it's coming. Yep.
Here it is. I love the cab on it. I love the white with the wood. Very vintage. 1,200 pound capacity. All right. 4. Wow. All right, here we go. Let's listen. Runs like it was put in today.
Yeah, this thing runs great. Pretty little.
Hello. Let's go down to 1. Look at that. Any day now. There we go.
Oh, somebody unbolted the light right there.
That's funny.
Hopefully that doesn't fall out of there.
That'd be bad.
Yeah.
This is pretty nice and in really good condition.
Mm-hmm.
We'll go back up to 4.
And you can reverse this thing too, I think.
Now look at this. Does have a bumper. An interesting one too. Yep. Honestly, I kind of think this deserves one more ride.
Yeah.
Definitely not something you see every day. Here's a look at your buttons. GAL black buttons, probably from the 60s. You know when this building was built?
I don't know. I think this is from sometime in the 60s though.
Yeah, definitely. Huh? Oh no.
Oh shit. Hold up, it's done this before.
There we go. Sounds like the interlock may need to be replaced.
This thing's had some issues with the doors. I think when I filmed this thing, the doors got stuck open.
Oh gosh.
And then I had to like force them closed. I think actually what I did is I flipped the emergency stop and that fixed it.
Okay, we're on 4. Now let's get off on 1. Or actually, let me take a peek out. Here's a little view out from up here. Pretty nice. All right, let's head back down. River's playing with the bumper to keep it open. We'll get off of one. Hopefully it shuts properly this time.
Yep.
You ever been stuck in an elevator before?
Couple times.
How long?
Longest was 2 hours.
Oh,
And
jeez.
that's because I used the phone multiple times. Nobody came until I called my mom and they called the building security.
Oh, gosh.
And then the building security called the fire department.
Didn't you get that on video or no?
I did, but I'll have to find the video. I don't know if I'm gonna upload it or not.
All right, well, there it goes. That's gonna be it.